So in the first two videos, we converted from moles to moles using the molar ratio and converted from moles to grams. In this third video, we will be converting from grams to moles. So the question, it says tin metal reacts with hydrogen fluoride to produce tin 2 fluoride and hydrogen gas. How many moles of a hydrogen fluoride are required to react completely with 75 grams of tin? So again, the first thing we must do is balance our equation. So I'm gonna bring the SN down here to 10, hydrogen fluoride. So for one side, I do on the other side. So SN HF equals. All right, so I got one S on it. What's one SN on the reactant side, one H, one F. On the right side, I have one SN, two H's, two F's. So I got two H's over here, one over here. So I could go 2 divided by 1 gives me 2. So put a 2 in front of the HF. So then you multiply 2 times both of this. 2 times H gives me 2. So cross out the 1, put a 2. 2 times F gives me 2. Cross out the 1, put a 2. Now everything is balanced. 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. Now we can actually start to solve the problem. So how many moles of hydrogen fluoride are required to react completely with 75 grams of tin? So 75 grams of tin is what they give us first. So that's what we're writing first. 75 grams, 10 is SN. So 75 grams of SN over 1. So we know we're going from grams to moles. So we're gonna need 3 lines. 2, 3. And it tells us how many moles of hydrogen fluoride are required. So that's what we're ending up with. So we know this last line is going to be what we're ending up with. So it says how many moles of hydrogen fluoride. So moles of HF, that's hydrogen fluoride. Moles of HF, that's what we're going to end up with. So remember, whatever is on the top of this goes on the bottom of this. So grams of SN goes down here. And if we got grams, well, on the top, we're going to have moles. So moles of SN is going to go up here. So again, whatever goes down here, up there goes down here. So over here, we're going to also have moles of SN. But because since we're ending up with moles, this last line will be the molar ratio. So remember, for grams, the mole is always going to be 1. So 1 mole equals to however many grams. So first thing we need to do for this one, we have to find the molar mass of 10. So I'm going to look up 10 on the periodic table. 10 is SN. Let me find 10. What is 10? I'm trying to find 10. It's taking a while though, because I don't have the actual periodic table in front of me. I'm looking it up on my phone. I see SN. Okay, so 10, the atomic mass is 118.71. So that is what would go down here, 118.71. Now for the molar ratio, just go up here, moles of HF, go see what's in front of HF, 2. So it's gonna do 2 moles of HF. Moles of SN, what's in front of the SN? Nothing, so we're gonna pretend that's a 1. So 1. And then you're just gonna multiply across. So 75, all of this is gonna cross out. The only thing gonna be left is this part, the moles of HF. So now we're just gonna multiply everything. So 75 times 2, 150 divided by 118.71. And the answer is 1.26 moles of HF. That would be the answer to this problem. How many moles of hydrogen fluoride are required to complete the reactor 75 grams of tin? The answer is 1.26 moles of HF.